Take a look. All of that is buses. When you see buses at Knott's, it's not a good thing. It means it's gonna be packed. It's gonna be packed meter 10. My gosh. I think there's like gonna be a cheer or a dance competition. So we gotta do what we gotta do. Damn.
Got the moves.
I give you 10 out of 10 for those moves. I can't believe the line starts out here at the bridge. We're just here for the food, I guess, Timbo. Whoa. Whoa. I was not ready for this. Wait, they're all here just for the chicken restaurant.
Dude. Let's hope so. 10:34.
10:34. Wow. Knott's is popping. Welcome to Five Fires. Today we're going to be doing a Knott's Berry Farm adventure. So today at Knott's Berry Farm there is a lot of schools. I think it's a dance competition. I don't know what's going on over here, but today is going to be a very packed day. So the first thing we're going to do, and however long it is we're going to have to wait for Hangtime, because we have been locked out of Hangtime every time we come to Knott's Berry Farm because the line's been so long. So we try to get at Knott's Berry Farm early, but it doesn't matter. Look at this. It's gonna be a crazy day. Like, I already know the pack reader's broken. Like, it's legitimately broken. But we're gonna get on Hangtime, we're gonna try to get on some Ghost Rider, and then we're gonna get some Panda Express with our meal plan. Are you guys ready? Because I'm ready. We about to fire it up. Let's do this. I always get a lot of questions asking how much Knott's annual passes are. This is the information. Honestly, Knott's is one of the best deals of all the theme parks in my opinion. And the reason I say that is an annual pass costs $104, parking is $70, and then you could add a meal plan. You could add the meal plan for I think about $125. You're spending $300 to get no block dates. You get parking included, and you get a meal plan, which you can eat 2 times a day. All the Knott's food. Like, you can't even, like, the cheapest pass at Disneyland is like $400, $500. So you get all those benefits for $300. Totally worth it. One really cool thing to note is at Knott's Berry Farm during summertime, and it starts all on June 7th to August 11th, they're gonna be doing summer nights. There's gonna be a lot of dance parties. There's gonna be new foods that are gonna be coming out. And Knott's Berry Farm is gonna come alive at nighttime. And also, Ghost Town Alive starts on May 24th to September 2nd. So I cannot wait for these 2 events to come. Knott's Berry Farm honestly has been bringing it this year in 2019. They made this park so interactive, so fun. I can't wait to have the adventure that we're gonna be having today. On rides.
It went.
Got
like
Denny in the house.
Freaking gray, you know. It went gray and then just black. Yeah. And I was like, they're like, sir, you can exit the ride. I was like, dude, I can't see anything right now.
This is on Silver Bullet?
Yeah.
My God.
The last like 2-3 turns where it's like gets tighter and tighter.
You just blacked out. Oh my God.
He gone.
Here you go.
He gone. I like how all the girls scream.
Yeah. Wow.
There it is.
It's confirmed. It's working.
Fired up.
Fired up. Calico. Snap! Oh my gosh! Oh, this is so intense! We're about to go to Panda Express right now. I cannot believe we just did Hangtime and we got it on tape. What'd you think of Hangtime, Tam?
What?
What'd you think of Hangtime?
Dude, it seemed like it went faster this time.
Yeah?
And I was like, like it felt like I was blowing up out of my seat.
Dude, that ride, you're literally falling out of your seat. Like, I feel like I'm out of my seat.
Well, when we're like I said, when we're going up, I feel like I'm falling backwards. So I have to hold on to the bar. Yeah, I don't like that.
Dude, it's not a fun feeling.
Right here, I'm like, hold on, I'm like, I feel like I'm gonna go, like tumble out this way. Like on that one,
I get orange chicken and teriyaki chicken. Ooh. Over here at Panda Express, you could get this as an option for your meal plan. So I'm gonna get 2 entrees. So I'm gonna get the orange chicken and then the teriyaki chicken. Thank you. Look at that. Look at that. Since I have the Knott's Berry Farm meal plan, this only costs $3.25. And since I have the soda, that's free as well. This is by far the best place to use your meal plan at Fireman's Brigade Barbecue. You get to do the chicken and ribs, the half chicken, pork and ribs, or pork ribs, flank steak, jumbo all beef hot dog. There's just so many options. Over here at Fireman Brigade though, I've had the chicken many times. It's really good. As I say it so many times, Knott's Berry Farm's meal plan is so worth it. It's 130 bucks, which sounds like a lot, but it's really not. Especially when you know you're gonna come to Knott's Berry Farm a lot. And every meal that you guys saw over there at Fireman Brigade, it's about 15 bucks. So if you just get that like 2 or 3 times, that's $45 already. Oh, look at it. It's the Pony Express. Making our way over here.
They're building a sign about.
A what? They're building right now. Calico River Rapids. Oh man. Let's get a first look
Hey, look
at the ride.
All this wasn't here last time.
I know. Whoa. First look.
We got workers back there.
All right, so what'd you think? Wow.
Dude, they're putting in work.
They're putting in work. Oh, there's like another thing over there. Let's keep checking it out, Tim. Oh, I see like water tubes. I think you get wet, Danny. Look.
Where? Oh, on this? Oh, yeah.
Look, Knott's doesn't even hide them though.
They might.
Yeah?
He's got a salmon in his mouth.
Where?
He's got a
Whoa, look at the bear. Oh, that's just like in the artwork that we saw.
Yeah.
Wow.
Mountain lion.
We got the mountain lion? Damn.
Hey, that's it.
Here's a closer look. Ooh, it's coming along. Take a look at the construction update. The whole ride is coming alive. My goodness. So what is it?
Working on that animatronic up there, the raccoon.
Oh, they're working on the head. I see it right there. Damn.
Saw the mountain lion right up close.
Yeah, we got the mountain lion right here.
You got SeaWorld on them.
Yeah?
You pay,
Oh,
you get wet, but
listen to this.
it's a plunger.
No, listen to this. Those TNT things shoot water at people,
Yeah, that's what I said.
but Knott's did it where sometimes it explodes on you.
Oh!
So it's not always you get people
Yeah,
wet.
I got.
Boo! That's what I heard. That's some secret news that I heard. Whoa! By the way, for all the people, before it gets coined by anybody else, when you get on Pony Express, it's the mountain lion trick. So when you go right here, you look at the mountain lion, all the way you go through the ride. Oh. Where are the water things?
Right here.
Oh, I see.
It's like you.
I'm so glad I guess I read that before they took it out. But it was painful.
What is Flashback?
It was right next to Hurricane Harbor. It was.
It's from Six Flags, Ohio.
No, Six Flags Magic Mountain.
And ours?
Yeah.
There's a thing called Flashback?
Yeah, it's called Flashback.
You ever done Flashback?
No.
Never heard of it.
Never heard of it. It was a dive coaster, but like, or I don't even know what it was called. But it was weird. It was like it stacked on itself, right? And you'd go and you'd kind of like dive down and go up. It had what was called like a hairpin turn.
And they took it down?
Yeah. Well, first they had to close it all the time because it couldn't only run when Hurricane Harbor wasn't open. Because the ride was too loud, and so the lifeguards couldn't hear kids in the pool, so they could never have it open when Hurricane Harbor was open. And then I think afterward, people just complained about how it was very painful and not very fun.
Have you been on the Colossus one?
The Twisted
Colossus?
No, I haven't.
My sister says it's life-threatening.
Life-threatening?
Yeah, she's like, it's stupid. Because it's only the knees, there's no like lap bar. You just get strapped on your knees.
I like how he just drives through the...
Yeah. One thing I do notice at Knott's Berry Farm, they got a lot of woman engineers. Noticing that.
Super bad luck.
Yeah, they got one right there, and they got another one over there.
Are you want to head back over to Ghost Rider?
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Hell yeah.
Let's go.
Bigfoot raft.
You will get wet. You may get drenched. And we're not talking about your panties, Timmy. Oh, we got a cowboy. Got a cowboy. A lot of construction going on. So cool. A lot of stuff happening over here at Knott's.
That's the ride vehicle.
That's the Flashback?
Yeah.
That fits a ton of people. Timmy got an airdrop from Big Booty Judy by accident.
Yeah.
That's why you don't turn your airdrop in Knott's Berry Farm, man.
I was like, who's it? Big Booty Judy.
Big Booty Judy, man. What was she trying to send you?
It was
A butt pic?
Sammy went to go send it to me. It was this available person next to you.
Yeah.
Trying to find Tim Hayes, and it said Big Booty Judy next to it.
I didn't send it to her.
Ooh. Good old Betsy. Behind the ground. Old Betsy. Old Betsy, Tim. We're over here now in Fiesta Village. As you can win some of the coolest prizes. Look at all these Pokemon. Wow, that's a big Pikachu. They got a Raichu. We're gonna see if Montezuma's Revenge is open. Usually the line ain't long, Timbo. We should do it. This is Tim's favorite ride.
Huff and Puff.
Huff and Puff.
When I was a kid, this was here.
Oh. This is Tim's favorite ride as a kid.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I love that thing. I wanted one of those in my backyard.
Are we gonna see Timbo at Knott's Scary Farm?
Maybe.
Yeah?
Let's make it through Midsummer Scream first.
I know. Oh, are you going? We're going. You going?
I'd love to go.
Dude, you should join us.
We
got like
Sunday one, right?
like 6 people going.
Sunday
Or
one?
more, I think now.
Something like that, yeah.
Good, only Sunday. It's like 30. Yeah.
We all drove together.
We parked at Snoopy and Friends.
Snoopy 4.
Snoopy and Friends.
Snoopy and Friends. Sometimes when it's packed, we gotta park at Loosey Goosey.
Loosey Goosey. That's our Tippy Whippy. All right, everybody, we are firing it down. Hope you guys enjoyed this awesome time at Knott's Berry Farm. It's a little too packed. I wish we could have done a lot more, but this is as far as we're gonna go. Please subscribe, hit the like button. Thank you guys for watching. Woo! We got some shotguns. Holy smokes, we got some shotguns going off over here. But we are firing it down. Love you guys. Mondo.